How I made over $40,000 in 30 days with Clickbank affiliate marketing in 2024 using Facebook ads. Now in this short 7-minute video, I'm going to show exactly step by step how I did this, but please stay until the end because I'm going to show you what it takes to get results in 2024, okay? Not outdated methods that gurus are teaching you, but what works right now. So as you can see over here, right, in May 15 we had $5,678 and the week before we had $27,000. Alright, now this was all done in the self-help info space, okay? So basically we are promoting not supplements, but info products, manifestation, self-help, dating, okay? All these niches. Now let me show exactly how this is done, okay? So you can understand more in the details. Let me go straight here and I will show you on here exactly how this is done. But before we go into it, let me show you this. In my Facebook group, you see over here, members, I had a student who made $35,000 in 30 days with Clickbank affiliate marketing. Now keep in mind, as you can see over here, she's stay-at-home mom with 2 kids, right? And that's already a hard enough job, of course. Maybe you're a stay-at-home mom, maybe you're not, maybe you know someone who is, you know it's not an easy job, right? So, as you can see over here, right, she mentioned, okay, about me, about him, within 30 days, I experienced my single biggest month with affiliate marketing, earning a profit of over 35,000 US dollars. Now, what is really impressive to me and amazing is that this person, her second language, it's English. It's not her first language. And she was able to do it. Now, why I did that, and the main reason why I'm showing you this example or case study, is because I want you to know exactly what it takes to get results. It takes desire, it takes a goal, and it takes a mentor who can help you personally, step by step, just like your best friend. Okay? Now, let me show you exactly how we do this. Okay? Now, the first thing is audience. Okay? I know many YouTubers, gurus on Clickbank are selling you idea of some magical software about AI voices. Okay, forget this BS. Why? Because at the end of the day, we are promoting and selling products. Okay, products. All the products are sold to human beings, just like me and you watching this video right now. Okay, so first of all, audience has to be pre-framed. And there has to be some kind of buyer's intent. What do I mean by that? For example, if I take out my iPhone, I see Facebook ads, right? And if you as an affiliate did your job correctly and made sure you put me in the problem state, again, in the problem state, meet me where I'm at right now, then you can also get my awareness, get my attention, to click on your landing page on ClickFunnels or your lender and read through your sales copy or pre-sale copy and buy the product through VSL or webinar on ClickFunnels, on Clickbank or MaxWeb or JVZoo. Doesn't matter what kind of affiliate network you're using. Even if it's CPA affiliate marketing, doesn't matter. Okay, so you see the point? If you know as an affiliate that you have to put me in the problem state first and then in the solution state, then you will make a lot of money on Clickbank as an affiliate. Alright? You can make up to 90% commissions. Now, if you knew how to make $10,000 or $30,000 per month as a Clickbank affiliate, you wouldn't be watching this video. But you don't. And the reason you don't know is because you don't have someone who can help you one-on-one. Maybe you tried Google, maybe you tried YouTube ads, maybe you tried AI voices, maybe you tried other courses in the past and it didn't work out. And I know how you feel because I used to feel the same way like you. I didn't know where to go, what to look for, where to even begin. Until I found someone who can personally help me, one-on-one, hand-holding me to have sustainable results in 2024. and I stopped following outdated old methods that got me shut down on YouTube ads and Google ads, right? Because I was following the wrong guys, the wrong method, the outdated methods that used to work few months or few years ago, but in 2024 they're not working anymore. So again, what I do is I pick a niche, I set up Facebook ads. I know, okay, we have low emotional states, high emotional states audiences. We have product aware audiences, product unaware audiences. We have totally unaware audiences, and we have totally 1% of buyers who are there to buy the product that you are promoting. Okay, so that's very, very important thing. Now again, if you want to make $10,000 per month, that's only $333 per day. Now, how many sales you need? Now imagine this. There are 2 billion to 3 billion people on Facebook every day. 3 billion people on Facebook, 3 billion users, okay? And there are 100,000 employees on Google and Facebook. Every single day, 24/7, working for you for free. You don't have to pay them. Now, the only thing that stands between you, right, you, and you making 10 to 30,000 euros or dollars per month is the skill set and someone, a mentor, a coach who can help you personally to get results. Alright? That's all it takes. Someone who can help you, because you don't know what you don't know. You need some edge, you need some advantage above everyone else. And then you can make this kind of money. Again, I'm not talking about millions of dollars per month. No. I'm saying sustainable, stress-free, $10,000 to $30,000 per month. Okay? So for that, you need only 3 sales for $100 or 2 sales for $200 per day. And you are making over 10,000 euros per month. Spending 30 minutes a day managing ad campaign. Could you spend 4 hours per week aside from what you're doing right now from your job to make 10,000 euros or 15,000 US dollars per month? Could you? Ask yourself. So as you watch this video right now, if you want to get started with affiliate marketing, if you want to get great results, remember this. It's all about intent. Many gurus are selling you BS crappy stuff about put weird images. It's not true. It's all bullshit. It's all BS. Alright? It's all about buyer's intent. When you put ads, Facebook ads or Google ads in front of people with intent, you get sales. But when you put ads in front of people with no intent, you get no sales. Only clicks. Okay? So if you want to get results, if you want to win, then what you have to remember is this. You need someone who will help you one-on-one, step-by-step to get great results. Now, what you can do next after watching this video is you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, you can like this video, leave a comment, or you can connect with me one-on-one. But only do it if you really are committed to getting results. Okay? If you really want to make this kind of money, if you want to make $10,000 per month in 2024 as a beginner without technical skills, by having someone who can actually over the Zoom call help you to get results, to scale everything, let me know. Okay? You have WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and even my own private free email list. You can subscribe to it. All the links are in the description below. If you have at least 1,000 to 5,000 US dollars and you want to get results, let me know, okay? And we can get something to once for all finally help you to get results and make something happen.